Hello, everybody! It's Dark Matter here with another exciting video. Alright, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you about end cards. Alright, so stick around. Alright, everybody. Alright, so you want to learn how to make end cards. You know, the end cards are the little links that go at the end of your video. One will be about a video, you know, whether it's your last upload, or maybe you have a favorite video you're trying to promote, and you can put that at the end of the video that you're uploading. Okay. You can also add links to people's channels and a subscription button to your own channel. So let's say somebody comes along and they watch your video and they thought, wow, that was a great video. You know, I really like this guy. At the end of the video, there'll be like a little button that they can click on. It'll have your icon picture in it. All right. And subscribe to you right there. You know, they'll click on it. It'll take them right to your channel. They can subscribe right from there. All right. Which is really cool. All right. So you'll be able to promote more of your videos this way, and you'll also be able to promote your channel. You can also put links into other people's channels as well. You're allowed up to 4 links at the end of a video. So you could do 2 videos, promote a channel, and promote your own channel. Or you could do 3 videos and promote your own channel. Or you could just do a video and promote your own channel if that's what you want to do. It's a great way to get more of your videos seen. And yeah, so if you want to do great videos, end cards like these, then yeah, stick around and watch the video. I'm going to show you how to do it. All right, let's get to it. All right, so here we are. We're going to upload a test video. All right, so I have a video up here that I can show you how to do this on. So the first thing we want to do is we want to upload our video. All right, right there's the test video. You would upload your video, of course. You would put in a description. In this case, I'm not going to do that because this is just a test video. All right, down here you would put in all your tags, of course. You're going to want to mark it to private, okay? Well, you can do it with it on public, but if you want everyone that watches your videos to have a chance to see your end cards, always keep it to private and then put your end cards in and then mark it as public. Okay. So now we're waiting. There it is. We gotta wait for it to process. All right. While that's doing that, you know, like I said, you can put in your description and all your tags. Then of course, you know, your thumbnail if you want to put a custom thumbnail in and whatnot. Okay, processes is all done. We're just waiting for the changes to happen. All right, so there we go. We have our test video is done. All right, so we're going to click done. All right, they'll save it to private. All right, then of course you're going to want to go back to your Creator Studio, okay? Okay, so you're in your videos. All right, you're going to come over to your video. In my case, it's the test video. You're going to go to Edit. All right, now that you're in Edit, all right, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to End Screen and Annotations. All right, now what will happen is it'll go to a different page there. It will load the video at the beginning, and then it will jump all the way to the end. All right, now you can scroll through this just by moving this right here to any part of the end screen that you want, or end of the video that you want. I just remember that you can't go past that part right there, otherwise it'll be like, no, you can't do that. All right, so at this point we are going to put in, first of all, the icon so that people can come subscribe to your channel, okay?
We'll just drop it in there. All right. It don't really matter where you drop it in, as long as it's in this blue box. It won't let you put it anywhere else except for in this blue box. All right. Now you need to have a video or a playlist in there, otherwise it won't allow you to do the end cards. All right. So I like to pop in this one right here, best for viewer, automatically, because that'll pop up random videos that people that may have already watched your videos haven't seen. Now, I could just leave that one in there like that if I wanted to, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to drop that one in there like that, and I'm going to come back up and I'm going to drop another one in. All right, in this case, I'm going to put in, choose a video or a playlist, all right? And that's going to bring you to this page, okay? And it's going to show you all your videos that you can choose from. Or if you want to use a playlist, you can come over here and you can choose one of these playlists. I'm going to just drop in a playlist from any of these videos right here. All right. And that way they have a choice between a video, a new video for them to watch, or they can choose from the playlist and watch multiple videos of yours. So now you're promoting your channel, you're promoting a video, and you're promoting, in this case, 19 other videos. All right. Now they could be your videos, they could be other people's videos. It doesn't matter. If you want to promote a certain video, all right, let's say I wanted to promote a certain video, I could come down and go to the video playlist. All right. We'll create. All right. Choose a video or a playlist. Now, right here where it says, or you can enter a YouTube video or playlist, I could go to someone else's channel, copy the link URL for one of their videos and put it in here and then create the element, and it would put in someone else's video. All right. So like if you're doing a shout out for somebody, let's say they're having a giveaway and you want to promote that video, you can go get the URL for that video, drop it in here, and then create element, and it'll drop it right in here like this. Okay. All right. Let's say you want to promote someone else's channel. The first thing you would do is you come down here where it says channel, promote another channel, press create, and then you would go back to your channel here, or you would type in who you wanted to search for. In this case, let's do Timeout in Tennessee. All right. Copy his link address. Or you could come over here in your subscriptions and pick somebody, or you could search them out and get their link that way. All right. Then you come back and you drop their link in. All right. We're going to paste that right in there like that. And then you had to put in a custom message. All right. And in this case, we'll just do what I normally do and put in, please subscribe to my channel. All right. And press create element. All right. That'll pop that up there like that. You can pull it down like right there. All right. See, now it has his icon to his channel right there. All right. And that looks good. All right. Another thing you can do is down here. Let's say you want these to pop up right away. All right. But you want the videos to pop up at the end of the video. Okay. So what you would do is you come and you would find the best reviewer. That's this one here. And you would grab it and you would pull it all the way back to where it won't go no more. All right. And Campfire Crew Massacre, we'll put that in right about there in front of it, just so I can show you, for example. All right. So what'll happen is here we'll even pull back Timeout in Tennessee's channel a little bit. So what'll happen is my icon is right there, so it'll pop up first, and then Timeout in Tennessee's icon will pop up. Then the Campfire Crew Massacre playlist will pop up, and then a best reviewer. All right, now let's take a preview of that. You got a button right here that will allow you to see it before you save it. All right, so let's pop that back up there and preview. All right, so the preview is going to play. See, there's my icon that just popped up. All right, the Timeout in Tennessee's icon will pop up. And then shortly after that, right about now, the Campfire Crew Massacre will pop up. And then the Best for Viewer video will pop up. And of course, the Best for Viewer video will be different for everyone. Okay, it'll show the last video that you did that they haven't watched. All right, so that's always a good thing. You know, it's promotion of your videos, your channel, someone else's channel. You can even put up to 3 videos in here if you want. All right, and your icon, of course. You always want to put your icon in there so people will come subscribe to you. All right, once you've got it set up the way you want it, let's say I'm happy with this, you come up here and you hit save. All right, after that's done, you can go back to info and settings. All right, once you come back to info and settings, you just go right here to private, mark it as public, and then hit publish. All right, now I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to publish a test video, but you get my idea. All right, and it's as simple as that, guys. Now, I don't think you can do this on your phone, so you'll need a laptop or a desktop computer to do this with. That will help you out immensely to promote your videos and your channel and other people's channel as well, if that's what you want to do. All right, so I hope this video helped you. If you like it, don't forget to hit the likes up button. If you're not subscribed to my channel, consider subscribing. I'm your buddy. I'm your friend. I'm Dark Matter, and I'm out.
You don't know the power of the dark side.